Well, since you asked, I have 16 terabits of tri-directional asynchronous bandwidth on my core CPU.
Ooh, that is a lot of throughput.
Well,
Hey, Clank.
I will call you right back.
Who was that?
Nobody, really.
Was that the tech droid you were talking about? Hey, did you get those blueprints?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you the man.
But I have learned that many other heroes are imprisoned at this facility. We must help them, Ratchet.
Well, sure, but how?
I have noticed that the security monitors tend to go inactive when there is a big arena matchup.
So if I fight one of the exterminators in the arena, it'll buy you some time, huh?
It is dangerous, but it is the only way.
No sweat. Those guys are toast.
Alrighty, let's go to Al first, see if there's any upgrade for our bots before moving into the tournament. Alright. This should help us a bit in the tournament. Don't know if it'll do that much of a difference, but...
Due to what can only be described as miraculous luck, Ratchet has made it all the way to the Vindicator tournament. But before he earns the rank of Vindicator, he'll have to survive the Battledome's deadliest challenges yet, and then take on the Eviscerator!
Wait, I don't even have the
It's
fusion
time for
rifle.
the weapon cycling round. This time, Juanita and I will choose which weapons Ratchet can use from moment to moment. Are you ready, Juanita? You folks at home can dial the number at the base of the screen now to vote for your favorite weapon. Here comes the audience choice weapon in 3, 2, 1. There it is.
Oh, Scorpion Flay leveled up. Great. Got a boost of 100. Shit.
Run, Ratchet, run!
I'm going to die. I lost way too much health. It's time to put bombs all over the place since we have unlimited ammo. Oh wait, we can put unlimited bombs. There's a max number of bombs that we can actually have on the stage at the same time. Wait, what? Oh, it leveled up as well. Great.
How he does with this?
Fairly decent, I hope. Oh man, wait. It wasn't the missile that hit me, almost sure of that.
Try this one on for size, you filthy lombags.
Ooh, filthy lombags. You sure you wanted to give me the Arbiter? Shit. Oh, leveled up. There's no sound effect. How amazing is that? Shit. Thought I was going to be hit back there. This is the dream. Unlimited ammo and the dual Raptors. Oh, I managed to survive through that. Whoa. Really happy.
Oh, what's this? Team Darkstar must dodge a massive bomb drop from a fleet of dreadnoughts? What psycho stuck this challenge up? What's that? Reactor and shell shock? I didn't even know they were brands. Say, did they use the card pool? Sorry? Oh, right, yes, let's go to the action!
what I should say right now. Maybe tell life story. Oh, that's right. I don't know. I was thinking I'm going to Lisbon for a few days, but probably when this video is uploaded, I'll actually be already back from Lisbon, so I don't think it will do much of a thing. Enemies. Oh, God. Sometimes when the enemies die, they simply disappear, and instead of exploding or they simply poof, disappear. This game has a few glitches. This version of the game, I mean. Sorry about that. Just a few seconds left. It's over. Okay, I think we did quite well.
Welcome to the matchup of a lifetime, Dread Zone fans. Our challenger, known for his exploits in organized crime, his dabbling in the occult, and his hatred of sunshine, puppies, and chocolate, here's Ratchet.
His opponent is a master of disembowelment and a fantastic chef. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vindicator! Dallas, I predict this match is going to be very quick and very bloody. I almost feel sorry for little Ratchet.
She didn't mean that, folks.
Asshole. Sure has a lot of HP. Seriously, minions. We are getting minions into the battlefield. Oh shoot. Shoot, I didn't remember this attack. Given to me for my dual raptors. Shit, I don't have almost any ammo. Oh man, what the hell? That missile came out of nowhere. Even now the laser has sound effects. Didn't have a moment before. Get away. No ammo. God damn it. One of the biggest problems I'm having here is really dealing with ammo conservation. Shit. Well, he doesn't really have much HP left. Neither do I have ammo. Oh wait, I don't have ammo anymore. I wasn't really noticing. Okay, there's ammo laying around. More. Shit, it's done. Yeah, I did it. Ah, about time. Come on. Yes. What? What the hell was that? It was. I looked at the side and I don't even know what the hell I unlocked.
Make way for our new Vindicator!
Hey, Al, I got here as soon as I could.
Silence! Can't you see I'm trying to concentrate?
What are you doing? Clank, are you sure this is safe?
It is an acceptable risk.
I just need to close one more circuit.
Al, you're a genius! You did it!
I know.
No!
Looks like somebody broke the rules. Put it back on.
You're dead, Ace.
That's good. I like that spirit. But save it for the arena.
This never should have happened. It's all my fault.
No, Ratchet. Ace Heartlight did this, and Gleeman Vox gave the order.
They made a mistake bringing us here, Clank. Now they're gonna pay for it.
Exactly.
It's payback time. Okay, we need to go there, but let's just check if there's any upgrade to the bots. Nope. Okay. Nope, crap, almost fell off. We can't actually die, so. The Harbinger. This weapon is the shit, but whoa, look at how expensive it is. Time bomb. I think I'm okay with only poison as of now. Let's go to Stygia.
Tonight on Vox, it's a very special episode of Dread Zone. Planet Stygia. It's a world ravaged by continual meteor storms. Why, if not for Stygia's powerful defense shield, the entire planet would be decimated in a matter of hours. But somebody dismantled the shield's power supply. Who would do such a horrible thing to the poor people of Stygia? I don't know, but it sure makes for good reality HB. Stay tuned for the hottest episode of Dread Zone yet. And if you live on Stygia, the last one.
Hassle.